Let's move on chapter sound, chapter 12, part 2 on page 158 and 159. We have been discussing about sound. Sound is a form of energy. All the vibrating object produce sound. At the same way, the sound also make object to vibrate. In order to know how sound produces by vibration, that means the sound also causes vibration. For this, we move on to activity 5. Here, the materials required are polythene bag or polythene, a tin can, and a steel tray, few rice grains, and a rubber band, a ruler, or a spoon. Now we are going to take a tin can and spread a polythene cover in the open end of the can and fix with the help of rubber band. That means you have to cover the open portion of the can with the polythene cover with the help of rubber band. Now we are going to put some grains over this polythene. Clear? You are going to cover this can with the polythene, and over this polythene cover or polythene plastic, you are going to put some rice grains. The next step is we are going to hold a steel tray, the tray or the vessel which is made up of steel, at some distance above the can and produce sound by banging the tray with a spoon or any ruler. What do you observe? We can observe that the grain which is kept on the polythene which start vibration. This is because when you strike the metal tray which is kept just above this polythene can, that means can covered with the polythene, what will happen on striking the tray, the sound is produced. This sound causes this polythene bag to vibrate, which in turn the grains which is kept over the polythene start vibration. This is because the sound produces by banging the metal tray with a spoon causes grains to vibrate. So finally we can conclude that sound also produce vibration. Sound makes the object to vibrate which are kept around this source of sound. Here are some examples. The buzzing sound of bee or mosquito is produced by the vibration of their wings. When mosquito surround us or mosquito flies around us, because of their wings, buzzing sound will be produced by this mosquito or any insect like bee. Secondly, the sound in the sitar, veena or guitar is produced by vibrating the stringed object. That means stretched string which is present in this instrument. When we struck the string, sound will be produced. The sound of our voice is because of vibration of our two vocal cords which is present in our throat. The sound of a drum or tabla is because of vibration of its membrane. When we struck the membrane of the drum, the sound will be produced. And also the sound of the flute is because of vibration of air inside the flute. Sound produced by the school bell is because of vibration of metal iron. When the metal is struck with a hammer, what will happen? The iron particles of this bell will be vibrated, causing sound. In the same way, sound in the radio or television is produced by the vibration of thin diaphragm of the speaker. These are the examples of sources of sound. The next concept is tuning fork as a vibrator. Here we are going to vibrate tuning fork. When you struck the tuning fork against a rubber pad and hold it near to your ears, you can feel the vibration. You can hear the humming sound produced by this vibrating tuning fork. This is because vibration of tuning fork causes sound. You are going to take a small tennis ball and tie it with the help of thread, and it is attached to tie it to the stand. The other end of the thread is tied to the stand. Now what you are going to do is strike a tuning fork and hold this tuning fork close to the ball. What do you observe? When we bring the vibrating tuning fork near the ball, near the standing ball, which is in stationary position, we can observe that ball started moving. Ball shows motion. In the same way, if we bring this vibrating tuning fork near the surface of the water, which is in beaker, we can see that this tuning fork splashes the water. This shows that sound produced by tuning fork is due to the vibration of its prongs. This vibration is generally we cannot see. This vibration is invisible because the vibration are too rapid. It is of high speed which cannot be seen by human eye. Thus we can conclude that sound is produced by vibrating any object or vibrating bodies. And also vibration is not seen by human eye.